Hello, my author friends. I'm Tamara Monosoff, and I'm a best-selling author and book launch strategist. And I am so excited to tell you that I'm launching a new Get It Done Book Marketing Mastermind that is designed specifically for you. I have been hearing and listening to my published authors who are letting me know that they're struggling because most of you who have sent me messages have said, I don't have a plan, I don't know how to create a marketing plan, and my book sales are non-existent. Well, we want to change that. I'm also hearing from authors who are currently working on their manuscripts who want to put systems in place so that they're successful not just for the launch, but they're successful in building their visibility so that they can continue to generate sales, book sales, but also get people to sign up for their other products, programs, and services, which we all want, of course. So how do we do that? We do that by planning and then following the plan. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this successfully. It's going to be fun. And then we're going to go into every other week thereafter for 90-minute power sessions where we're going to do live trainings. I'm going to teach you how to live stream as part of your marketing plan. If that makes sense for your business, I'm going to teach you different ways to post on social media to generate sales as well as uplift your visibility. And that is also going to go into your plan. So we are going to craft these plans so that you are going to continue to use it and build it and work it. And we are going to, as a group, create consistency, accountability, camaraderie, and community. We're going to just jump in and support each other. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of this together. So please click on the link below, join me in this mastermind, and let's get it done and sell more books and generate income for years to come. Talk to you soon.